Sora 2 is completely free and most likely the new king of AI video generators. But there's a tiny problem. It's only available in the US and Canada for now. I live in Turkey, and as you can see here, it says Sora 2 is not available in Turkey yet. Well then, long live VPN. Oh, and by the way, you'll also need an invite code, but don't worry, I've got you covered on that too. Before that, let's watch a few sample videos together and see what Sora 2 is actually capable of. Then I'll give you unlimited invite codes and free VPN access, so you can start using Sora 2 for free yourself. For example, creating VO3 style interview videos here is insanely easy. You just write your prompt and in a few minutes you get a high quality realistic video.
How do you feel coming into the world?
Send me back. I just feel my pencil book.
You can even remix other people's videos to make your own version. Like this one, it's a social experiment video. The original is in English.
Burger?
Appreciate it, man.
Of course. We're not stopping with one though. We brought 1,000 of these for...
But I want to make it Turkish. So I just say, keep all details the same, but make it Turkish. And that's it. Done.
Kanka, hamburger ister misin?
Sağ ol kardeşim.
Ne demek? Ama bir tane bitmiyor. Buradaki herkes için 1000 tane getirdik.
Çok teşekkür ederim.
Harika ya. Hadi dağıtalım. Bu gece herkes karnını doyuracak. Çek.
I won't go through every detail in this video, but just know that you can change not only the dialogues, but even the person in the video, or literally anything you can imagine. If you want a full breakdown, drop a comment below. Bro, just look at the level of realism in these videos. Even if you're an AI detective, you'd still have a hard time telling if it's fake. And that's the point. It's so convincing and smooth that scrolling past it is almost impossible. And here's the crazy part. They're now marketing Sora 2 as a new social media platform. Think about it. YouTube integrated VO3 into Shorts, but Sora 2 said, nah, I'll build my own platform. And its goal is to compete with Instagram and TikTok. Yep, Sora 2 is now an AI social media platform, and if you ask me, soon everyone's gonna be there. So don't get left behind, get in early. I left a Telegram link in the description where you can grab your invite code, plus a link to Sora 2 itself. And you don't even need a paid VPN. Any free VPN works fine. I personally use this one, links in the description too. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.